So this is the review of Home Happy Meal toys. So here we have O's spinning cat. So let's open it up. So there it is. So let's see what it does. When you press the button, the cat on the top of his head starts to spin. So this is O's spinning cat. Very fun toy. This is Nervous O. So let's open it up. So this is Nervous O. He's holding a mirror in his hand and there is a button at the back. So when you press it, he opens his mouth a little and he also moves his arms. And as you can see in the mirror, the picture changes. So this is Nervous O.